Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Alpha Abyss skin, easy method. Start by reaching level 50 and completing the main Abyss questline to unlock eligibility. Then focus on daily challenge rotations that drop event keys, collect 100 crafting fragments from targeted activities, and trade fragments at the event vendor for the skin token. Finally, visit the reward chest to claim the Alpha Abyss skin. Warm up with a simple plan. Grind the Abyss nodes that offer the best fragment yield, rotate through daily challenges to stack tokens faster, and complete the weekly mission for a large fragment bonus. Then always check the event vendor after major milestones so you can exchange fragments immediately and avoid overspending on other items. Hey, quick recommendation. If you enjoy downtime while grinding, the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading simple and comfy on breaks, with a crisp display that won't strain your eyes, making long sessions more enjoyable. Please subscribe, and like if this guide is helping, check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Try these friendly tips. Team up with players that boost drop rate to collect fragments faster, conserve premium currency for limited event boxes that include skin tokens, and keep an eye on the event tracker so you know exactly how many fragments you need. Adjusting your play sessions to fill gaps efficiently and avoid grinding unnecessarily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.